We welcome you to this new version of Digital Health Week. During this event, we invite you to help us reflect on the role that digital technologies play and will play in our lives, especially in how we see healthcare. We invite you to be protagonists of this event.
The conference theme this year is pushing the boundaries in healthcare. And within the framework of this conference, we've pushed the boundaries of what a keynote is.
Well, I think there needs to be some kind of reckoning around, does this stuff really work? Without necessarily always jumping on the digital health train, that you check as to whether these kinds of interactions in a therapeutic sense are as good as, for example, face-to-face.
I think that throws down a challenge for all of us.
We've pushed the boundaries of how we interact with one another in a virtual event.
Digital health cannot create an optimally transformed healthcare system without making errors along the way. Do healthcare systems have enough tolerance for risk and error to make substantial improvements in how it operates?
Technology is often discussed in either the dystopian view or it's a solution view. So there's this sense that it's this dichotomy, but actually there's the area in between that I think we really need to understand.
We can't just sort of sit in an echo chamber repeating these concerns about risks. We need to also be able to step forward, lean in and come up with solutions so that we can manage the risks to use the data for our benefit. I think it does still come back to people being able to have agency in that space though.
We're exploring the connection between the arts and health.
So throughout the events over the next few days, Fresh Day will be drawing inspiration from our conversations to create 3 artworks.
We're asking the hard questions about whether or not digital health works.
Is tech putting us in harm's way?
So I think that the role of technology is quite ambiguous in terms of responding to health issues that come from climate change.
I think the other part of the context is that now technology brings us together to share our experiences, give us support to each other. That kind of positive aspect of that.